Welcome to the channel, everybody. My name is Paul. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing our monthly report in regards to the results provided from our Forex Autotrader. This is an automated system that we have introduced into our community many months ago, allowing people to earn passive automated profits to the markets. And I'm excited to share with you yet another profitable month in the books. So we're going to recap a couple of things and also pick up from where we left off from our mid-month update. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to comment down below. You can also reach me more directly, either via email or Telegram. You can access all of my official contact information down below in the video description. And if you like what you see and you want to take advantage of this automated system, you can visit our website down below for more information. But with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Now, as a quick disclaimer, understand that when it comes to trading the Forex markets, while these markets provide lucrative opportunities to make money, remember that also goes hand in hand with risk. Any and all information provided in today's video is for educational purposes based off of my own personal experience. Past results are never an indicative or guarantee of future results. Always trade with money that you can afford, but that also aligns with your goals. All right, folks, so just a couple of quick preliminaries, especially for our new viewers just joining us for the first time. What we are dealing with here, ladies and gentlemen, is a Forex automated PAM system where the trading is conducted by our master trader. And as a member, you earn based off of the trading performance of that master trader. So regardless if you're someone who has little to no experience, or you have some trading experience, or maybe you just don't have time to trade on your own because of your busy life, this is a great system anyone can leverage for automated profits. This PAM specifically focuses on trading the gold markets with a daily profit average target of 1 to 2%. I like to emphasize the word average because some days we earn more, some days we earn less, and some days we don't earn anything at all based off of current market conditions, which we will explain more in detail as we go through the results. In addition to its automation, other benefits include the fact that you always have access to your capital at any time. So your money is never locked away from you. You always have access to your capital and your profits alongside with timely withdrawals. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, your profits do compound automatically. Now, this is actually a pretty exciting moment because as of this week, we've actually reached a pinnacle point where we have now earned over 100% in total ROI. So in other words, if you started at the same time I did with $100, you now have 200. If you started with 1,000, you now have 2,000. If you started with 10,000, you now have 20,000. Here's a screenshot of my own personal account. This is just for illustration purposes only, which as you can see, the total gains have surpassed the 100% mark. So this is a very exciting moment within our community. Now, keep in mind the total amount in my trading account obviously reflects a larger amount because what you're seeing here is not only the ROI that we've received, but also the compounding effect of our profits. So yes, in terms of ROI, we've earned over 100%, but in terms of a dollar value, we've actually earned a lot more because of the compounding. So we're all very excited about the progress, but now let's go over the results and reports over the last couple of weeks to conclude the total ROI for the month of August. Let's take a look. All right, so picking up where we left off from our last mid-month update, starting on Monday the 18th, there was an announcement stating that they were in a trade currently sitting at over 0.5% in profit. All stops were set at break even, and they decided to hold on this trade for the following day, which resulted on the 19th, where that trade delivered a 2.88% return. Wednesday the 20th, no trades were taken due to the fact that there were no favorable setups provided by the market. As many of you know from your experiences as a trader, or even just from our educational videos, you always wait for the proper setups. And if you don't have those proper setups, you don't take the trade. So in this case, no trades were taken on Wednesday. But on the following day, on Thursday the 21st, we had a return of 1.33%. And as always, on Fridays, we do not trade because Fridays can be very tricky in terms of market volatility, closing off the week at a 4.21% gain. Now, on the following Monday, August 25th, this was actually the start of the major bull run that we have been seeing for the past week or so in gold. So for Monday, we earned a small percentage of 0.42%, but on Tuesday, there were no trades taken because price was pushing to higher levels without any clear structure. No trades were taken. Wednesday, a position was taken, but they decided to trail their stop loss at break even to remove risk and hold on to the trade to ride the momentum, which resulted in the following day of that trade to close at a 3.91% return. And then of course, Friday, no trading was conducted, closing yet another profitable week in the books at 4.33% gains, totaling over 14.6% for the month. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned before, daily profit targets range between 1 to 2% average. Some days we earn less, some days we earn more, and some days we don't earn anything based off of the decisions whether or not to trade regarding market conditions. And this is something we value immensely because they are very mindful and consistent about their risk management, about not only when to take trades, but also when to stay out of the markets, which of course is crucially important because sometimes the best decision in trading is to not trade at all. And it's because of this, we've been able to maintain consistent profit growth, which is a main contributing factor of why we are now sitting at over 100% in terms of the trading ROI. Again, folks, all of this is 100% automated for its members, so it doesn't matter if you have any trading experience or not. This is something anyone who is looking for a bit of automation to leverage and earn passive profits. So there you have it, folks. That's our recap for the month of August. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. If you want to learn more about this program, you can visit our website down below. And don't forget to also join our Telegram group where I post daily reports. So if you just want to join and monitor our activities and see how we're progressing before you make that decision, feel free to hop into our Telegram. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you on the inside.